In this video, I'll guide you through how to integrate JotForm with PayPal and Stripe, ensuring a seamless payment process for your online forms. Whether you're collecting payments for products, services, or donations, JotForm makes it easy to connect with popular payment platforms like PayPal and Stripe. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to go to JotForm's website at jotform.com. If you haven't done so already, log into your account. This is your first step towards setting up a payment form that can handle transactions efficiently. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard displaying all your forms. Choose the form you'd like to integrate with PayPal or Stripe and click on the Edit Form button. This will open up the form builder where you can make adjustments and add new elements to your form. Next, take a look at the toolbar on the left-hand side of your screen and click on the Add Element button. This is where you can enhance your form by adding different types of fields, including payment options. After clicking Add Element, you'll see a variety of options. Navigate to the Payments tab. This is your gateway to integrating payment solutions into your form. Here you have the choice to select either PayPal or Stripe, depending on your preference or business needs. Both options are widely used and trusted by millions of businesses worldwide. Once you've made your choice, click on either PayPal or Stripe to initiate the setup. You'll be prompted to enter a connection name. This is simply a label to help you identify this specific payment integration in your JotForm account. It can be anything descriptive, such as online store payments or event registration fees. If you've chosen PayPal, the next step is to click on Connect with PayPal. This will redirect you to PayPal's login page where you'll need to sign in to your PayPal account. Don't worry, this is completely secure. Once logged in, follow the prompts to grant JotForm permission to process payments on your behalf. If you've elected to use a Stripe, the process is quite similar. You'll be directed to the Stripe login page to connect your account. And there you have it. Your JotForm is now integrated with either PayPal or Stripe, ready to accept payments. This integration not only simplifies the payment process for you, but also enhances the user experience for your customers, clients, or donors. As a quick tip, always test your form after integrating a payment option to ensure everything is working smoothly. This way, you can catch any potential issues before your form goes live. And remember, JotForm offers a range of customization options, so feel free to explore other elements that can make your form more engaging and functional. That concludes our tutorial on integrating JotForm with PayPal and Stripe. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now ready to take advantage of these powerful payment solutions. Thanks for watching and feel free to explore our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on optimizing your online forms.